Good morning. Oh, you can hardly see, you can't see my face, but that's good. Good morning. This is Miss James. This is Auntie Veronica, and I'm calling. I am making you this video, Natasha, so that I can show you exactly what I mean by your problem that you texted me about last night. It says here, I wrote it out for you, and I sent you this paper, but I don't think you could see it on the paper, but I wanted to explain to you what you have to do. So you have a triangle, uh, you have a triangle on your paper, and it asks you to find the slope of the three vertices of your triangle. And so, but you basically have to do, and I did this before I looked at the problem. Before I looked at your choices, that's what I did. And so it says here, you have to find the slope of each corner, of each point, of each side. If they are perpendicular, they will have this, they will have that, okay, I can't read backwards or whatever. Um, they will have that slope will be opposite reciprocals. In other words, if one slope is 3, that means 3 over 1, positive 3 over 1. The other slope is going to be negative 1 over 3. So I'm going to start with line the lines that meet at C, capital letter C. Because at the natural eye, it looks like a 90-degree angle. So point B, which is at -7, -8, -7, and point C, which is at 0, 5, makes one side. And point A, which is at 6, 1, and point C, which is 0, 5, makes that the other side. Find the slope of segment BC, which is that side, which is -8, -7, and 0, 5, 0, 5. So you see how I put at the top x1, x2, x1, y1, x2, y1, y2. The formula says y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So y2 is 5, as you can see right there, and y1 is -7. So 5 minus -7 over 0 minus -8, which becomes 5 plus 7 over 0 plus 8, which is 12 over 8, which reduces to 3 over 2. And that's the slope of that side is 3 over 2. Now find the slope of AC. So we got sides 6, 1, and 0, 5. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. So Y2, which is 5, minus Y1, which is 1, over X2, which is 0, minus X1, which is 6. So that's going to be 4 over -6. Now you got the negative down at the bottom, which reduces to 2 over -3. You got the negative down at the bottom, but you don't put the negative down at the bottom, you put it at the top. So the slope is -2 over 3. They are negative reciprocals because that's a negative number and that's a positive number at the top. Reciprocals just means that they flip. notice that the top one is 3 over 2, the bottom one is 2 over 3. They are negative reciprocals, opposite reciprocals, however that your teacher has taught you. Okay? So they are perpendicular to each other. They are 90 degrees. Okay? All right, when I look further at your problem, it told you to find the slope of the other one too. So it says, your question also asks for the slope of AB. So point A, which is 6, 1, and point B, which is -8, -7. The slope of AB is A, which is 6, 1, B, -8, -7, which is, so we got x1, y1, x2, y2. So we got -7 minus 1 and -8 minus 6. So that would be -8 over -14. And because we got a negative divided by a negative, that's going to become a positive. So we reduce it to 4 over 7 because 2 goes into both of them. Okay, you got that? So we got 4/7 is not a reciprocal of -2/3 nor 3 over 2. So it is not 90 degrees to either corner. So therefore your perpendicular lines are, your perpendicular line is going to be BC and AC are your perpendicular lines. If you have any questions, you can give me a call. All right. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a good day. Bye.